Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're just seeing these videos for the first time. Today we'll be working with this account right here. It's not a very large amount, but of course I'm trading with an amount that I can afford to lose, and plus it's still the same account from the previous video, and I decided to trade synthetic indices again. And today we've got step index on the 4-hour time frame. Of course I've done all the analysis already. I'm just recording this video to do the entries. I've drawn out my trend lines and I noticed the price has traded within the trend lines, so that's a good thing. When we look closely, we see the price has not touched the bottom trend line yet. The distance may look small, but then this is the 4-hour time frame, so I need price to move down a little to this point before reversing. Price may end up breaking the trend line, but that's highly unlikely because the market is currently oversold. So price should go down, then move upwards in this direction again. So I've got the perfect plan to maximize profits with this setup. I'll be entering for a short position right here. The next thing I'll be doing is I'll be setting an insanely tight stop loss. So around here should be good. I won't be setting a TP, and that's because I'll be keeping an eye on things by myself. But if price goes up to touch my stop loss, that's perfectly fine. That's how trading works. You can't really predict the market with 100% accuracy, right? You can get close to it, but it's impossible to be 100% accurate all the time. For the second part of the plan, I'm using a buy limit. So as soon as price gets to this point right here, you should enter for buys automatically with a lot size of 2. All we can do right now is to wait for the result. The only problem I think we may end up running into probably would be with the stop loss I said, because I use a big lot size and price may move up a little and touch the stop loss. But if that part of the plan works out well, then we should be able to get to $1,000 with just this one trade. Okay, I guess it's 2 trades, but we should be able to get to $1,000 easily. So I'll be here for about 5 hours and price went up to hit the stop loss. Yeah, it's been a big waste of my time, but that's how trading works. So I'll be entering for short positions again because I think the market will move downwards. This time, however, I won't be setting a stop loss. I'll be trading like a madman. I may end up losing everything, but then, as I said earlier, I'm trading what I can afford to lose. So even if I lose this amount, I'll just try again later. As soon as there's some profit, I'll exit the trade and try to grow the account back up, because right now we're $150 in the negative. It's been just over 10 minutes and price moved bearish, so we've got some profit and I'll exit at this point right here. I'll go ahead and close all positions. Now the balance is back up to 97. I'll still be entering for more positions. I'll be trying to grow this account. I'll be trying to grow it some more. Switching back to the 4-hour time frame, I see that price has still not touched the bottom trend line. So what I'll be doing, I'll be taking up more sell positions again, and that's because I'm confident in my analysis. I believe price should move down. There's still a good chance that I lose everything with this trade, but I think price should go down, and if it moves in my direction, I'll make some good profit. So right now all I can do is to wait for the results of this trade. I'll just have to wait for the results of the trade. It's taken almost an hour of waiting and price has finally started moving downwards. As you can see, we're now $400 in profit, or $400 in profit. So the entry was a sharp entry. This trade has gone beautifully. Not only have we been able to recover from the initial loss, but we've also made some profit. Or $300 in profit from our initial starting amount, and that's great. The trade has gone really well. Right now I don't think I'll be working with step index again, so I'll be stepping away from step index. Alright, so we're here on volatility 150 1S index. Switching to the 1-hour time frame, and we can see that there's a level here. It's a support level, and normally I won't consider it to be a level of interest. It's just so far away that I don't think it will hold. Price may just end up breaking right through it, so I'll be enabling this indicator right here. It's the Bollinger Band indicator. You can copy the settings right here, but now I have it enabled on the 15-minute time frame. You know what, let me switch it to the 30-minute time frame real quick. And the way this indicator works is when price moves down to touch the top or the bottom line, in this case the bottom line, it is expected to move in the opposite direction. Price should move up towards this area right here. So price should get up to this point. Now I don't really need price to move completely to that point. I just need to know the overall market direction. At this point right here, I'll be entering for buys. I'll take up some buy positions. So these are all the positions I'll be working with. Now volatility 151S doesn't move very fast, so I'll actually have to add a couple more positions to it. These are all the positions, and all we can do right now is to wait for the market to do its thing. We'll wait for the market to do its thing, and I'll be back with the results. So the market moved bullish very quickly. I didn't have to wait for long at all, and just like that, we've doubled the amount we had, and that's what we always love to see. At this point right here, I'll go ahead and close all the positions, and we're now at $939, which is crazy because we lost like 150 in our first trade. It's all good, but I won't be stopping here. I'll continue trading this account until I get some significant profit. Next, we have volatility 75 index. I've drawn out my trend lines already, and see price has not touched the top trend line yet, so I believe price will move up to touch the trend line, may go above the trend line a little before coming back down. Of course, this is the 4-hour time frame, so I'll switch to the 15-minute time frame so that I can do my entries. So I'll adjust my lot size and enter my positions. Those are supposed to be buy positions, so I'll enter for buys. I've taken up a few long positions, and I believe price will move up in the bullish direction before coming back down. So we'll just have to wait for the market to do its thing, and we'll be back with the results. So price has moved towards our area, our blue area, and we're in profit. I'll immediately close all these positions to enter for short positions immediately. So now we're at $3,000, which is wonderful. So I already know the market should move bearish. As soon as it reaches this area, it should move back down. So I'll be entering for sales. I'll be taking up a few short positions. Okay, to be honest, these are not just a few short positions, but I believe the price will go down, so we should make some profit from this. The market may end up moving bullish at the end of the day, but I believe it should move bearish at this point. It's been almost 10 hours and price has moved down. Not as much as I would have wanted it to move, but that's fine. I was expecting it to move quicker than this, but that's okay. I'll close all the positions and take my profit. And just like that, we're now at 4,967 USD. That's all I'll be doing for now. It's taking quite some time to get to this point, so I'd appreciate it if you leave a like and consider subscribing if you enjoyed these videos. The name's Toby, and I'll catch you in the next one.